People. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will learn about different words used to describe people based on their roles, characteristics, experiences, or situations in life. Learning these words will help us improve our vocabulary and communicate more effectively. Let us learn some words related to people. Accomplice. A person who assists another in a crime. Agent. A person who acts on behalf of another person. Artist. A person who practices one of the fine arts, especially painting or sculpture. Amateur. A person who does something for enjoyment rather than for money. Bachelor. An unmarried man. Barbarian. An uncivilized person. Benefactor. A person who gives help, support, or aid to others. Beneficiary. A person who receives help, support, or aid. Cannibal. A person who eats human flesh. Castaway. A person who survives a shipwreck and is stranded. Citizen. A person who legally belongs to a country or city. Comedian. A person who entertains people by telling jokes or performing comedy. Civilian. A person who is not a member of the armed forces. Compare. A person who introduces and hosts a show or event. Culprit. A person responsible for a crime or wrongdoing. Exile. A person who has been forced to leave his or her country. Fiancé. A man who is engaged to be married. Fiancée. A woman who is engaged to be married. Fugitive. A person who is running away from the law. Hypocrite. A person whose actions do not match what he or she says. Hermit. A person who lives alone and avoids society. Linguist. A person who knows and studies languages. Missionary. A person who travels to spread religious beliefs. Orphan. A child whose parents are dead. Optimist. A person who looks at the positive side of situations. Patriot. A person who loves and supports his or her country. Peasant. A farmer or agricultural worker. Pessimist. A person who focuses on the negative side of situations. Principal. The head of a school or college. Rebel. A person who opposes or fights against authority. Refugee. A person who leaves his or her country to find safety elsewhere. Tenant. A person who rents and lives in a house, apartment, or room. Usher. A person who guides people to their seats at events. Vagrant. An unemployed person with no permanent home. Vandal. A person who deliberately damages public or private property. Veteran. A person with long experience in a particular field, especially military service. Volunteer. A person who willingly offers services without expecting payment. Widow. A woman whose husband has died. Widower. A man whose wife has died. Today, we learned many words used to describe different kinds of people. These words help us understand the roles, experiences, and characteristics of people in society. Keep practicing these new words and try using them in your daily conversations and writing. Thank you for watching.